Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to your shadowing practice. Close your eyes for a moment. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Relax your jaw. You have a voice and you have stories to tell. I am Betty and this is English Unlocked. Today we are practicing storytelling connectors. When introverts tell a story, we often speak too fast. We want to finish quickly so people stop looking at us. But rushing ruins the story. To speak calmly, you need connectors. These are small bridges that link your sentences together, holding the listener's hand. Just listen. Notice how these phrases build anticipation. It all started when. And then, out of nowhere. The funny thing is, at first, I wasn't sure, but in the end, it turned out that. Now practice with me. Speak slowly, be the storyteller. Listen and repeat. It all started when. And then, out of nowhere, the funny thing is, at first I wasn't sure, but in the end it turned out that. Beautiful! Now, the natural flow. Imagine you are telling a friend a story over coffee. It all started when. And then, out of nowhere, the funny thing is, at first I wasn't sure, but in the end it turned out that. Great job! Your stories matter. Take your space, take your time. People want to hear what you have to say. Slow English, clear mind. This is English Unlocked. Take a breath. You did great today.